Welcome to Product Critique. If you're searching for the best toaster 4-slice stainless steel, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster, model TR4900 SSD. A sleek and reliable addition to any kitchen countertop. Let's kick things off with the first thing you'll notice, the design. This toaster comes in a premium stainless steel finish that not only looks modern but also feels solid and durable. It's compact yet wide enough to make a statement in your kitchen without dominating the space. Measuring just over 10.5 inches deep, 11.8 inches wide, and standing at 7.5 inches tall, it fits neatly on most counters while offering enough interior space to handle a variety of toasting needs. Now, let's talk features, because this toaster isn't just about looks. One of the standout elements here is the extra-wide toasting slots. Whether you're popping in thick slices of artisan bread, bagels, or waffles, you won't be playing the frustrating game of forcing them in or watching them burn. These slots are designed to handle all types of bread with ease. Another thoughtful addition is the extra lift lever. Once your toast is done, you can lift it even higher with the extended lever, so you don't need to reach in or risk burning your fingers. A small detail, but one you'll appreciate every single morning. And if you live in a household where no one agrees on how toasted is too toasted, you'll love the dual control system. Each side of the toaster has its own 7-shade dial, so two people can toast at different levels at the same time. Lightly golden on the left, extra crispy on the right, no problem. Let's not forget cleanliness. This toaster includes pull-out crumb trays on both sides. You just slide them out, dump the crumbs, and you're ready to go again. No need to turn the toaster upside down and shake it over the sink. As for performance, this toaster delivers consistent, even browning thanks to its advanced heating elements. Whether you're toasting white bread, rye, or even frozen items, the results are reliable, no patchy spots, no overdone edges. While this model does not come packed with digital screens or preset buttons like defrost or reheat, it nails the basics with precision. The simplicity actually works in its favor if you want a no-fuss, durable appliance that just gets the job done. Priced at $56.99, plus shipping, it's a mid-range option that feels and functions like something more expensive. There are also bundle deals available if you want to pair it with other appliances like a blender. It's perfect for families, couples, or anyone who values control, convenience, and clean design. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before work or prepping toast for the entire household on a Sunday morning, the BLACK+DECKER can handle it. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your toasting experience, this toaster deserves a spot on your counter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, detailed reviews just like this one.